this situation, let's say, because right here's our new channel. We already knew it. We already had it marked. It's right here. So let's say right here, and I'm like, okay, great. If it gets to here, I'm going to take profit, right? Because coach says get in early. I want to get it before everybody else is sitting there. Okay, great. So you take profit right here. It sells all of them, and then it goes
Right.
right. And then it makes new high a day, climbs as biggest day SPY's ever had. And the whole time you're like, I don't know if I should get in. I don't know. I'm waiting for a pullback. Maybe I should get in. I don't know. I'm just gonna hold out. I'm gonna see. I might get in. I'm gonna get in right here, and then you lose all your money, and you're like, damn it, I should have just stayed in the other one. Yep. Now, will I take some off the table at an area where I think? You bet your ass, and that is my shedding technique, right? If I see a key critical level that continues to like bounce off that, you bet your ass I'll get rid of some there, right? Hell yes, because it's harder to break through and I want to take some of that profit. I don't need to get all the way out, but if I started here and it hit right here and I took half, well, guess what? I can come all the way back down to here again, right? So that I will do, but I will never, right here, it's at the position. No way in hell would I go take profit, which you would have did here before it. Because guess what? Now it wants to just go screaming memeing here, right?
That's right. And I guess too, if it makes that really fast run, that's when you get your big returns too. Right?
That's correct. That's gamma on options, but yes.
That's right.
Yep. And we have a full video that we just released yesterday. Hint, hint, nudge, nudge, wink, wink.